In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use an FTP account with Hostinger. We'll be walking through everything you need to know in a clear and straightforward manner, ensuring you're able to manage your files with ease. First things first, we'll begin by logging into Hostinger. If you're not familiar, Hostinger is a popular web hosting service known for its affordability and user-friendly interface. Once you find yourself on the Hostinger homepage, look for the login button. You'll need your account credentials, your email and password to gain access. If you're new or haven't logged in before, make sure you set up your account on Hostinger's platform to proceed. Once you're logged into your Hostinger dashboards, you'll want to navigate to an area called FTP accounts. FTP, short for File Transfer Protocol, is essentially a method used to transfer files over the internet securely. It's an essential tool for website administrators who need to upload, download, and manage website files with efficiency. On your Hostinger dashboard, you should find FTP accounts listed. Take a moment to locate this option as it's commonly nestled within the hosting or domains section, depending on how your dashboard is set up. Now comes the exciting part, creating your FTP account. Here, you'll need to create a new account with a username and a strong, secure password. Choosing a username that is easy for you to remember but not easily guessed by others is crucial for maintaining security. Similarly, your password should be complex, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure maximum protection against unauthorized access. With your FTP account now created, it's time to connect to it using a popular tool called Filezilla. Filezilla is a free software you can download and install on your computer, known for its powerful and user-friendly capabilities to transfer files through FTP. Once Filezilla is installed, you'll open the application and prepare to connect. In Filezilla, you'll find a section along the top that allows you to input your FTP credentials. This is where you'll type in the server address provided by Hostinger alongside the username and password you just created. Double check these inputs to avoid any connection issues. After everything is entered correctly, simply click the Quick Connect button, and within moments, Filezilla will link you to your Hostinger server. At this point, you're all set to begin uploading and managing your files. Browse your local machine on the left panel, find the files you want to upload, and drag them to the corresponding directory in your hosting server on the right panel. This drag and drop action is intuitive and makes managing your site's files an easy task. Congratulations, you've now set up an FTP account and connected it using Filezilla. With everything covered, you should have no trouble managing files on your website like a pro. Keep coming back for more tips and tutorials to improve your web management skills.